Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classmate Academy and
Parabola by tangent method. In this video, we will learn how to draw a parabola by the tangent method. Here are the instructions to draw. Draw a parabola of base 120 mm and height of 60 mm by the tangent method. Also, draw the tangent and normal at any point on the curve. Take a ruler and draw a horizontal line of 120 mm in length. Label the endpoints of this line as A and B. After this, we need to draw a vertical line of 60 mm at the center of this line. Since this line is 120 mm in length, the center point of this line will be at 60 mm. Therefore, mark a point at 60 mm length on this line and label it as E. Take a protractor, keep it at this point E, and mark a point at 90 degrees. Using this point as a reference, draw a line of 60 mm in length from point E. Label this point as F. The length EF is the height of the parabola. To draw a parabola, take a compass and adjust it to length EF. And using point F as a center, cut an arc as shown. Next, take a ruler and extend the vertical line up to this arc. Label this point as O. After this, we need to draw lines joining point O and A and point O and B. We need to divide these two lines into some parts. You can divide them into any number of parts as you wish. In this video, I will be dividing it into 8 equal parts. To divide this line into 8 parts, we will draw an inclined line at point O. Next, we will take a compass and adjust it to some length, cutting 8 arcs on this inclined line, as shown. Join this endpoint with point A. After this, draw parallel lines to this line from each of these points, as shown. Therefore, we divided this line into 8 equal parts. Next, using a drafter or a roller scale, and using this line AB as a reference, transfer these points on the line OB. Therefore, we have divided both the lines into 8 equal parts. After this, we will do the numbering of points on line OA, from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And we will do the numbering of points on line OB, from the top, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and so on. We need to join point 1 with point 1 dash, and point 2 with 2 dash and so on, up to point 7 and 7 dash. Therefore, we got the tangents touching the parabola. Now draw a smooth curve, such that it touches each of these lines at these points. Since we got the required parabola, after this, we need to draw a tangent and a normal to this parabola. Suppose, we want to draw a tangent and a normal at this point P. To do so, take a roller scale and using line AB as a reference, draw a horizontal line from this point P. Label this point as P'. After this, take a compass and adjust it to length from P' to F. Using F as a center, cut an arc on this vertical line as shown. Label this point as P1, and draw a line joining point P and P1. This line will be a tangent to this parabola. Next, draw a line perpendicular to this line at point P. This line is normal to the parabola. At the end, do the dimensioning. This is the final parabola.